Oh my God, this is horrifying. Join me as we explore the sophisticated processes and cutting-edge technology used in this field. As soon as the work started, the demolition machines with powerful engines and impressive horsepower easily crushed the old support beams. With superior power, these machines rushed to work, creating enormous pressure, turning the solid structures into pieces. Awesome! The truck sped through the muddy terrain as if nothing could stop it, shaking violently, leaving viewers in awe. In the harsh coal mine, heavy machines plunge into a relentless war with the earth. Led by Volvo trucks equipped with powerful 500 horsepower engines, ready to face all dangers and challenges. Under extreme pressure, these vehicles use all their strength, carrying huge loads across rugged terrain, creating a scene that is both tense and dramatic, where mechanical power and technological durability are pushed to the limit. With the yarder operating at full power, slowly lower the Cat 517 to the bottom of the treacherous abyss. With a perfect combination of technology and superior power, the powerful engine and impressive horsepower help control the heavy equipment with precision in dangerous situations. Turn every moment into a breathtaking journey, where every movement carries tension and drama. Wow. After a few breathless minutes of struggle, the battle between the excavator and the mud ended with victory for the PC400. With decisive and powerful pulls, the heavy truck gradually escaped from the thick layer of slimy mud, bringing a moment of relief to everyone watching. In the field of industrial tire processing, the Eagle 2 portable tire cutter, equipped with a powerful engine and superior horsepower, is considered the ideal solution for separating OTR off-road tires. Thanks to its optimized design, its sharp cutting blade easily penetrates dense tire tread layers, providing outstanding efficiency in a short time. Not only stopping at performance, this advanced technology also raises the level of tire processing capabilities, creating a significant breakthrough in the modern industry. What do you think of these impressive machines? Share your thoughts in the comments if you find them interesting. Continuing the spectacular demolition show, in a relentless battle with the solid concrete, a Komatsu excavator equipped with a 200 kilowatts engine rushed into the work with fierce force. Another excavator pushed hard, causing the concrete blocks to shake, while the drills slowly penetrated the base, preparing for the decisive blow. As the two machines coordinated in harmony, their combined power created a demolition show that was both dramatic and impressive, leaving viewers unable to take their eyes off. With its powerful engine and impressive horsepower, the Trenker T1660 surface miner is designed to handle tough mining jobs. Its deep and precise cutting capabilities allow it to easily overcome any terrain, optimizing mining efficiency. Witness an impressive sight. The giant machines, the DT-75, Agramash 90TG, and VTG 90 crawler tractors, with their powerful engines and superior horsepower, effortlessly pull the huge piles from the site. Built to withstand harsh conditions, they deliver unparalleled power and absolute efficiency, making any challenge seem trivial. Have you ever witnessed the power of a demolition excavator? The Komatsu excavator, with its powerful engine and superior capacity, is performing the task of demolishing an old building. Equipped with an advanced hydraulic system and impressive horsepower, the machine easily breaks down the solid concrete structure, bringing maximum efficiency to the job. Nothing compares to the power of this machine. The Absetzer at the quarry, equipped with a powerful diesel engine with a horsepower of up to 2,000, is operating nonstop. With its huge design, the machine easily handles huge volumes of material, optimizing mining efficiency. Following on from the Liebherr LTM 1100 to 5.3, the perfect solution for large construction projects. With its heavy lifting capacity and fast working speed, the machine saves time and money, bringing high economic efficiency. Soon after, the giant crane, with its powerful engine and superior horsepower, suddenly had an accident right after finishing work at the mine. Although it can handle all terrain and loads, even the mighty machines are not immune to unexpected moments. Let's start with the Sany SR-125 drilling rig combined with the Kelly Bar-borne lowboy moving itself from the truck to the ground with the support of a powerful hydraulic system. The powerful engine and flexible moving mechanism help the machine easily access drilling positions, ready for high-precision work. Witness a dramatic scene as the rescue excavator is being pulled from the river. Rescue equipment and professional teams are working very carefully to salvage the crane after the accident, restore the flow, and ensure the safety of the construction. The combination of the power of the Tatra 813 and the durability of the Komatsu Bulldozer makes for a perfect pair. The Tatra 813, with its powerful engine, takes on the role of transport, while the Komatsu Bulldozer, with its tremendous pulling power, supports the overcoming of all difficult terrain. Witness the Bird machine with its powerful engine and 700 horsepower. You will see it easily tear down the old house in a snap. With its superior power, the machine handles all demolition jobs quickly and efficiently, making the process simple and impressive. Sure to blow your mind, the Komatsu L2350 wheel loader, with its powerful engine and impressive horsepower, is the ideal machine for heavy-duty mining operations. With its durable design and high lifting capacity, it easily handles large volumes of material, delivering maximum efficiency. It's hard not to feel small when you see such power. The powerful horsepower of the D10T Bulldozer and 3D11T Bulldozers create a huge thrust, perfect for leveling work. With powerful engines and stable operation, these machines easily handle large volumes of soil, bringing outstanding efficiency. Truly terrifying. The car was on fire on the road, but fortunately, the timely intervention of the fire truck with its powerful engine and high-pressure water spray system prevented the disaster. The fire truck worked quickly, effectively, and saved the situation. In the vast space of the quarry, the roar of machinery resounds incessantly. The majestic Terex 80C wheel loader, with its powerful engine and impressive horsepower, easily moves over difficult terrain, handling soil and rock quickly and efficiently. In a surprising turn of events, a cat loader and a John Deere tractor, both designed to handle heavy-duty work with powerful engines and huge horsepower, got stuck, showing that even the most powerful machines can malfunction.
Hey guys.
You definitely won't be able to take your eyes off this machine. The Caterpillar 795F, with its powerful engine and impressive horsepower, is loaded by P&H to handle heavy-duty mining jobs. It has a large payload capacity, helps transport materials efficiently and quickly, and maintains stable performance in harsh working conditions. Heavy transport, especially when moving tanks, requires vehicles with powerful engines and high load capacity. These specialized trucks are designed to transport overloaded loads, capable of moving steadily over difficult terrain. They ensure absolute safety for bulky and heavy goods, such as tanks. It's unbelievable. KMC 600 and 336F with powerful engines, KMC 600 with 600 horsepower, and 336F with 272 horsepower are working at full capacity at the construction site. The space is filled with the noise and terrible power of these machines, overcoming all challenges during the construction process. Trenker T1660 and Vermeer T1255TL surface mining machines, with powerful engines and huge horsepower, rush into the mining of solid limestone with hardness from 100 to 130 MPa. These machines constantly create powerful cuts, conquer all difficult terrains, bringing outstanding efficiency. In the midst of the challenging space, the Cat D10N Bulldozer, with a 298 kilowatts engine, rushed through the rugged terrain, pushing the giant rocks with force. Dust and smoke rose, covering the space, as the bulldozers seemed to fight with nature, creating a majestic and powerful scene.